Good afternoon. Reservation for Hazel Joy Baluta.
Welcome to the Peninsula. I'm so sorry but we're overbooked tonight due to a convention. We sincerely apologize.
Overbooked? I have a reservation. I expect the room, right?
I understand your frustration, but we'll secure a room for you at the Makati Shangri-La. Transportation will be provided.
The Shangri-La? I booked the Peninsula. I don't want another hotel.
We understand. We'd like to offer a free future stay at the Peninsula, including breakfast plus a spa and dinner voucher.
A free stay? When can I use it?
Anytime within the next year, subject to availability, we'll prioritize your booking.
Fine. It better be perfect next time and prioritize that booking.
Absolutely. I will call you later to ensure your room meets your expectation in Shangri-La, Makati. Let me arrange your transportation.